Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Honor Magic 7 Pro, one of 2024's most anticipated smartphones. Launched globally just days ago, it promises top-tier performance, an amazing display, and a powerful camera setup. Let's dive in. Design and build. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a sleek glass design with giant rhino glass for durability. Measuring 162.7 by 77.1 by 8.8 millimeters and weighing 223 grams, it's robust yet comfortable. Available in black, white, grey and blue, it's also IP68/IP69 certified for water and dust resistance. Display. With a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display, the Magic 7 Pro delivers stunning visuals with 1 billion colors, Dolby Vision and HDR10+. It boasts a 5000 nit peak brightness, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a sharp resolution of 1280 by 2800 at 453 pixels per inch. Perfect for any media experience. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and up to 16GB RAM, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps effortlessly. Its Adreno 830 GPU and UFS 4.0 storage make for smooth graphics and fast performance. Cameras. The triple camera setup includes a 50-megapixel wide, 200-megapixel telephoto, and 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering versatility and exceptional detail. The 50-megapixel front camera ensures sharp selfies and 4K video, while Gyro EIS keeps footage smooth. Battery and charging. With a 5850 mAh battery, you'll get all-day power. The 100-watt wired charging hits 50% in 15 minutes, while 80-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless capabilities add extra convenience. Extras. 5G ready with Wi-Fi 6/7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC and satellite SOS. The Magic 7 Pro also includes an infrared port for device control. It's packed with modern features for seamless connectivity. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is a flagship powerhouse with stellar design, performance, and cameras. At around €740, it's great value for money. Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.